Hello everyone, in this particular session I'm going to discuss about implementation of SVM in Python. So first I have imported the pandas library for loading my dataset. So here you can see I have loaded my news dataset which contains some news like with levels which are fake or real. So I'm going to implement SVM to find whether a news is fake or real. So for this, first I have loaded my dataset into news variable. So after that I can see my head like first five rows. So here we can display the first five rows of my dataset. So after that I'm checking the levels, like what are the levels. Here we can see like fake and real levels are present. After that I am just displaying the first few rows of my text, that is the description of the news. So here you can see the descriptions. Like after description you can see like the splitting of the test and train of the data set. So here I'm using sklearn.model selection, the test train test split library to splitting for splitting purpose, and the test size is 0.20, means 20%. So 20% of the data will be the testing used for testing purpose, or remaining will be used for the training purpose of the model. So after that I have to convert the text into some vectorized form, right, for giving to those values to the machine learning model. So for that what I'm doing is I'm using that TF-IDF vector transformer to convert that text into some vector representation. So here you can see I'm removing the stop words. Stop words are basically some words which are very have less importance to the data set. Suppose we can consider like if is that these words have less importance to the data set, right? So we can remove those words from the data set, and after removing that words I can train my model. I can convert that text into some vectorized form. So here in this particular line I'm converting the text into some vectorized form, and finally I can get the TF-IDF train and TF-IDF test. So after that I have to define my model. So in this particular step I am defining my model, that SVM model. And if you don't know how SVM works, you can see my other videos, like it's already mentioned there or already described there. So after that, after defining that SVM model, basically I'm using that sklearn library for that. So I have defined my model and trained my model with my data. So after that I have to predict like which news is fake or which is real. So for that I'm using that model dot predict, and I'm passing the TF-IDF test variables like test data. So after that I can see like it's predicting the values and real fake like that. So finally I have to find the accuracy of my model, and so the accuracy is here. I'm using the classification report library for calculating the accuracy and all. So here you can see the accuracy is 0.93, which is 93%. So the accuracy is very good. So you can see the SVM is working very properly, or very good, performing very well in the classification of fake and real news. So in the next tutorial we will see about implementation of other machine learning algorithms for detecting fake and real news.